This pepper mix right here is the game changer for your jollof, stew, or even quick sauce. You can use it to make your jollof spaghetti. Let me just show you how I make it.
And your whispers in the air, got your face stuck in the mirror, and I keep finding your hair.
I started by washing my tomatoes.
With the fall pictures we took. Oh, and I keep finding dog ears that you left in my books. Miss your ache and I just crash over, cause you crashed in like a tsunami. Woke up next to you.
After washing my tomatoes, I washed my tatashi. For a perfect pepper mix, you actually need shombo. 60% of shombo and tatashi and 40% of tomatoes. But where I stay, we don't see shombo over here. So that's why I'm using 60% of tatashi and 40% of tomatoes. I don't want the tomatoes to be bigger than the tatashi, so it won't overshadow it. I went in with enough onion, like you need enough onion, ginger and garlic, enough. See guys, you can never go wrong with ginger and garlic. Like it changes a lot in your food. Also added habanero pepper for hotness, drizzled small coconut oil, added rosemary, then also added seasoning cubes so it will, enhance the flavors. Put it in your oven, allow it to burn. It will stay like 45 minutes to 1 hour for it to like burn and get what you want. So then you're ready, just blend and store it in your fridge. And for people that don't have this kind of gas, I will make another video entirely to show you how you can achieve this at home. If you love this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much.
Stripes to your body, I'd give anything that I have for just another one of your nights. You can have